Did you know that it's one of the most powerful times of the year right now as this is being published? I'm talking about the Lionsgate portal. Stick around and let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Veronica. Welcome to the Wholeness Shift. If this is your first time here, welcome. I appreciate it, and I am glad you found me. I teach about practical spirituality and help you navigate your spiritual awakening. And if you are already part of our awesome little community, welcome back. You know I love you. If you haven't taken the time to hit the subscribe button yet, please do. And hit the bell icon. You won't believe how much this helps me on this channel. And my analytics show that only about 50% of you that are watching this actually subscribe to my channel. So if you wouldn't mind, take a moment, hit the subscribe button. If you appreciate the content I put out and want to become part of this little community, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. We could play a shot game with every time I just said, like, hit the subscribe button. That was a lot. One more thing, and if you ever feel particularly grateful for a specific video I put out or for the teaching you found in that, or you appreciate what I'm doing, you can hit the little button down under the video that gives a super thanks, and there's all kinds of little things that go along with that. I think it gives you a shout out in the comments, and you can, give me a little tip. You can buy me a cup of coffee. I would appreciate it. All right, that's enough housekeeping. Let's talk about the Lionsgate. First of all, what is it? What is the Lionsgate portal? Well, it's a stargate. It's actually the time of year when Earth and our sun and the star Sirius are in perfect alignment. This happens every year from the end of July through mid-August. And I've seen different accounts of whether or not it starts on July 26th every year or July 28th. I can feel the energy by July 26th, so that's the one I choose to observe. I think it goes from July 26th through August 12th every single year. Some people also state that it only happens on August 8th. Lionsgate is August 8th. And while that might be the crescendo of it, the apex, the pinnacle, or the highest point of the energy, that portal is open that entire couple of weeks. So I observe it the whole time because you can tap into that energy the whole time. And you can also, that energy, it's not like it just like slams shut on August 12th either. You can feel that energy lingering through the end of the month even. So as I said, the pinnacle of it, like the peak of the Lionsgate energy is on August 8th, 8/8. So I don't want to skip over the importance of that because it's not insignificant. I mean, the number 8 is the symbol for infinity and all that is. It's about affluence and material freedom, balance and stability and infinite love. It's good stuff. It's all about the good stuff and the largeness of it all, the abundance and the infinity of it all. And Sirius is such a beautiful star system. I mean, if you have any Sirius starseed energy in you, you probably know that. Sirius is sometimes considered the spiritual sun, and it's known for its light and its energy giving properties. This all aligns with Leo energy as well. I mean, that's why it's called the Lionsgate. Lion, Leo. And Leo is all about that divine feminine energy, and the divine feminine is about loving, powerful, confident, creative, nurturing, giving birth to things, giving largeness, where there was nothing, now there is something. It's about birthing beautiful new things into your reality. So when we tap into all of these energies and this vibration that is just like at its massive peak during the Lionsgate portal, This assists with all kinds of activations and attunements and manifesting. So if you are someone who's been working on their manifestations or manifesting your intentions, now is your time. Every single year, this is one of the main windows of time that my guides use to bring me activations and downloads and whatnot. It's always kind of like Christmas morning, like, what's going to happen this year? I would say that the Lionsgate portal and anytime there are eclipses, those are just opportunities that my guides use to level up. Spomy's playing the song in my head. Level up, level up, level up. Anyways, never mind. It's a very robust and potent time for shifts in your energy and for activations to take place, for going to the next level. When I had my first Kundalini awakening that I talk about in other videos, that was right after Lionsgate. That was in August. There was Lionsgate, and then there was a big eclipse at the end of August, like the third week of August, right after the Lionsgate. And it was right after that eclipse that, like, bam, everything opened up. My third eye flew open. I had this Kundalini awakening, and several of my gifts strengthened big time. They were, like, magnified. Now, it isn't always so extreme. I don't want to plant that expectation with you either. It isn't always, like, so over the top, like, bam, but it often is, for me anyways. But even when it's not huge, there's still always something. Like, this is when a lot of my work gets done. So maybe you will be the same way. What's important during this period of time is to stay hydrated so that the energy is flowing easier through you, getting plenty of rest, all of those things that help raise your vibes, keep your vibes open, keep your energy flowing well. And ask your guides for help with whatever activations you're wanting to see, whatever gifts you're wanting to improve or, like, tap into better or to strengthen. Ask for help with whatever how do you say that word? Ask for help with whatever manifestations that you are looking to bring into existence. Write them down. Ask for help. Yeah, write down those clear desires for your manifestations and then just absolutely pump them full of heart energy and love energy. Make sure you're smiling often. Make sure that you're just tapping into that bliss every day. You want to tap into your heart energy and your love energy and just start living from a place of that existence, of that heart space, because that's where the goodness is. That's what this is all about. That's what gets you into alignment with this specific energy and with anything good and divine. That's what helps you with your manifestations. Cleanse your home. Declutter. Give away a lot of the stuff that you don't need or things that are cluttering up your home. The universe abhors a vacuum and will fill it with something good. So get rid of some of the old stagnant stuff that you don't necessarily need anymore to make room for the stuff that fits this new season of your life even better. Cleanse the energy in your home, smudge, sage, burn some incense, rearrange your furniture if that's appropriate. You want to have a welcoming heart towards abundance and growth, and you really just want to relax into the flow. Just don't worry about it. It's all good. Even when it's not all good, it's all good. Know that everything is as it should be. Everything is as it should be. And just relax into that flow. Allow the universe to move and shake in your life and help you to bring into existence those things that you want, that you're wanting to manifest, the things that would suit you and fit you for that next stage of your life and for your reality. Allow your gifts to come online. Release any fear, any doubt, any hesitation, and just relax into the flow. Tap into that heart space. Exist inside of a space of peace and love and contentment and bliss. at least as much as you're able to find and tap into. Start with where you are. Meditate every single day. You know that's the rule. Just know that all is well and all shall be well. Let me know in the comments if you've had any major activations during Lionsgate at any point. And let me know if you've been feeling the energy building right now. Have you been noticing like new activations, new downloads, new tingling in your chakras, any work being done on you at night? What have you noticed? Leave it in the comments. And if you notice anything any time through it, come back and leave it in the comments. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button and the like button if you liked what you heard. And I will talk to you soon. All my love to you. Until next time.